Ranga, wish you a happy birthday, Ra Babu. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Hey Aranga, wish you a very happy birthday, lovely 50th. Enjoy the second innings with a lot of
Happy birthday, Arang. Happy 50th birthday. Have a wonderful.
Wish you a happy birthday. பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள். Wish you many more years of happiness, health, and good health. I mean, you've crossed 50 years, and we wish whole many more decades to come with all good health and happiness. Once again, wish you a very happy birthday.
Hey Aranganathan, happy birthday. Congrats on completing your half century. Enjoy your milestone birthday. Take care, Mama.
Hey Aranga Mamu, many happy returns of the day. The original chef of Gigi. Have a nice, enjoyable birthday. Take care, buddy. Love you.
You are 50, Aranga. I realized it when I counted mine. A very happy birthday, Mama. I still remember your short pants and shy face. It's a long time. But again, it's just a half a mark. Keep going. Enjoy your food. Keep posting.
Hello, Aranga. Happy half century. You are the first few in our batch to reach half century, and we'll follow you. And with your good habits and good food habits and good heart, you will reach century soon, and we'll follow you too. And being family friends, I know you always kept an eye on me and kept me in control. So thank you, and wish you all the best. Have a nice day.
Hi Machi Aranga, many more happy returns of the day. Wish you 50th happy birthday. All the best Machi. Be happy, enjoy life.
Hi Ranganathan, many happy returns of the day.
Good morning, Ranganathan. As per the request of your daughter, we are trying to make this small video individually and combinedly edited by your daughter, so that it will be a surprise gift for you on this 50th birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday and many more happy returns of the day. Have a beautiful life ahead, and keep entertaining us with your wonderful cooking skills and art skills of your daughter. All the best. Have a
Hey Arang, happy 50th birthday, Baba. I'm senior wife. 50th birthday, it has the milestones. So I wish you good health, wealth, and prosperity. And you are a great, one of the great personality in our circle. So keep it up, and good luck. Thanks, bye.
ఒరే అరంగగా రే నీ 50th బర్త్డేకి మేము అందరం కలిసాం చూడరా. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. తీసుకో విష్ యూ. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే.
fabulous birthday, Aranga. Happy birthday, Aranganathan. Happy birthday.
పోదమా బయట.
ഹായ് അരങ്ക, ഗുഡ് മാർണിംഗ്. ഇനി 50 പെരുന്നാൾ நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள் அரங்க. உன்னோட லைஃப்பில் நான் 45 இருந்தேன்னு சொல்லியிருக்க சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. நம்ம ஸ்கூல் லைஃப்பில் நாங்கள் பண்ணிடுறது எல்லா இன்சிடென்ட்ஸ் பார்த்தா, நம்மளது இன்னோசென்ட் இன்சிடென்ட்ஸ், நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி பேண்டர்ஸ் எல்லாமே பார்த்தா அதெல்லாம் நினைக்கும் போது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. ஓகே, நல்லா இருக்கு. நீ லைஃப்பில் நீ நல்லா செட்டில் ஆகிட்டிய. உங்களோட ஃபேமிலி, உங்களோட டாட்டர்ஸ் நல்லா வளர்த்துக்கிறது பார்த்துட்டு இன்னும் சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. ஓகே, நீ லைஃப்பில் இன்னும் சந்தோஷமாக உன்னோட பேஷன்ஸை ஃபாலோ பண்ணி முன்னேறி போகிறதுக்கு என்னோட மன்மட்டமான வாழ்த்துக்கள். ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் டேக் கேர், have a great day, and have a very happy birthday. Very happy to share these moments with you, and have a great life ahead with good health, a lot of happiness and prosperity. Take care, Aranga.
రంగా 50 వయసులో ఆవిడకు రంగరంగ వైభోగంగా 50వ పుట్టినరోజు ఘనంగా జరగాలరా. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే రంగా. Some of the learned people in our group use this, right? Half empty and half full glass, whatever is in the glass. So అజిగా ఎట్ట చెప్పా, హాఫ్ ఫుల్ హాఫ్ ఎంటీ ఇల్లడా, ఉన్నది తాగేసే మళ్ళీ రీఫిల్ చేసుకో కొత్త గోల్స్తో. ఒరే ఎమ్మెన్గా, హాఫ్ ఫుల్ హాఫ్ ఎంటీ క్వార్టరు కాదురా, గ్లాస్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ నేను చెప్పింది అంతే, సరిగ్గా అర్థం చేసుకో. సో ది అదర్ పழமொழி ఇన్ తమిళ్, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. பிடிக்கலையா பழமொழி? என்ன பண்ணுறதுடா, 50க்கு பழமொழி தான் வரும், கண்ணடிச்ச ஐஸ்வர்யா வராதுல்ல. இதுவும் பிடிக்கலையா? సరే, చెన్నైలో ఇంకోటి ఉన్నాడు అక్కడ నీకు దగ్గరలోనే, నీకు ఇది నచ్చపోతే వాడికి ఇచ్చేసేరా, పాపం అన్నీ తీసుకుంటాడు. అదేదో అంటారు కదా ఇంగ్లీష్లో, విత్ పించ్ ఆఫ్ సాల్ట్ తీసుకుంటాడు అది ఇచ్చే. సరే, వాట్ ఎల్స్? రాయడం అయితే ఫాస్ట్గా రాసేస్తారా బాబు, ఈ చెప్పడం ఏంటో కొంచెం ఆలోచించి చెప్పాలి కదా. లెట్ మీ ట్రై. కాలేజ్ వీడియో కట్ అయిపోయిందిరా బాబు. ఓకే, లెట్స్ రెజ్యూమ్. సో I think not many of us get to choose the life that we want, right? Settle in a job, or if you don't like the job, or if you don't want to continue your job, you cannot pick and choose things. We have limited options, right? But all the time you need some support. We look for some support, or somebody to talk to when things are not going well. I think all of us have gone through this phase, or maybe a few of us are still going through this phase. So you have had a wonderful journey, at least personally, from whatever I know. The kind of jobs that you have had, the kind of little bit successes what you had. But I think you always had a rock behind you. You know who's that, right? A strong rock, your wife, and of course now your kids. So are you still thinking, is it half full or half empty? Most of us think about it. Let's see. So I think whenever even now if you wear that specs, I remember what you have, that very unique shades of your specs, goggles I mean. టీ-షర్ట్ వేసి ఆ గాగుల్ చేస్తే 50 ఎవడంటాడు, లైట్గా డై వేసుకుంటావు నువ్వు, సూపర్, నువ్వు అసలు ఎక్సలెంట్గా ఉంటావు, హీరోనే, రజనీ మామాని, రజనీ మాదిరి. సో వెన్ ఐ సెడ్ రాక్, see, I think whenever you came home disappointed, or all of us come, right? So I'm sure your wife would have said sometime, you did not fail, but you postponed your success. So she's been a real rock behind all the things that you have gone through, Aranga, till now. And now I think your kids have also added to this great joy of yours. Creative Manu, look at what all she does. She's, my God, all-rounder. Most of the times I also feel, in my early childhood days, all the people who are hearing, I'm sure they will laugh, make fun of me. I was very short, not too strong. I always wanted to lift a shot put and then put it. I couldn't even lift that. So our dear drill master PT sir used to say, move on, man. Today I feel happy, man. My son has got first place. And the way he has thrown, people say it is a record in his school. So I think we all live our uncherished, unfulfilled dreams through our kids, right? So she's a star in making, no doubt. Whatever you have missed, whatever you wanted to do in life, she'll do 10 times more than that in her own style. Wait and watch. And why this is happening? All this is happening because of your love towards her, and unconditional love, of course. And she'll definitely succeed. She'll make you proud. So for that you have to be happy. And then the other one, Shashi. So she has chosen her path, the best path. In fact, this is the future. Ayurveda is the future. So we are all waiting for her to become successful in life, treat us in the most natural way. Right? So Aranga, I think this is the best gift God has given you, family. At times we think, right, what if we had a time machine? We go back and then we want to correct everything. So all of us think that, maybe if not all of us, some of us, that okay, I should have done this, I should have done that. And I still thinking of Aishwarya. பின்னாடியே தொடப்பக்கட்டு எடுத்துகிட்டு வரப்போறா. நான் சொல்லடா, வாசு சொன்னா, தெரிஞ்சுக்கோ. சரி. So, we want luxurious cars, we didn't earn it, we wanted luxurious houses, good bank balance and all. Machan, this is practical life. So, even if the time machine was true, you went back, you got, or I got, or anybody got all these things. When you come back, do you still have Manu, Shashi and Priya? Question mark, right? So this is the best life, man, what you have. They are the rock, they are the support, they are the pillars for you. And man, you have everything what maybe few of us don't have. You have a house to live, you have a house to rent, you have a humble life to live, you support a lot of people, you are very emotional. All these are good traits, good things that have happened in your life, right? So, what else? Happy birthday, Da. I think I'll keep talking if I start. So, I'll try and write something for your birthday. So, towards the end, I want to say a disclaimer. This will be very fast, like how it comes on the screen. Whatever I said about MN, Priya, KV, Anji, Vasu, others, it is not. It is true. It is subject to the GG, fun, frolic. Did I say not? Did I say true? I don't know. Happy birthday, Aranga. Enjoy, have fun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aranga. Happy birthday to